Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, today I want to show you one business invest without money is GramFree. GramFree is a uh, real invest without money. So what you have to do, you go to dashboard and go to free. Okay, you see how can I earn? See, you can roll even 1 gram. After that, you can go to smart contract. You sign in, you get also the level up. Okay, now I show you how how many gram do I get right now. Okay, I get like a oh wow, oh 37.1 gram, 41. Okay, after that you can go to visa and you exchange how many you can get, like a 37. Okay, I got 74 USD. I got level 3. See, I got level 3. Okay, all you guys, hope you can join